Hi guys. Hi guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So I'm eating a fish head today. I cooked it. I stew it. I didn't stew it too hard because I wanted y'all to see the face of it and stuff and know that I'm eating that. And I got some white rice to go with it. Hey, thank you for tuning in. What's everybody doing tonight? But y'all already know what I'm doing. I'm going to eat. I don't know. Can y'all see that? It's a whole fish. It's cut in half. Can y'all see that there? Let's see. Can y'all see that? You see the eyeball right there? You see the eyeball? And this is the mouth right here. I'm good, Colleen. Thank you. I got a little thing of water right here for my fingers. Well, I have one all the time. But... And I got a bowl right here for my bones, for the fish head. I'm telling you, when I'm done with this, you're not even going to recognize it. You're going to be like, wow, that was a fish head. I mean, I eat all of the fish head. The tongue, the lips, the eyes, the cheek, the brain. I'm going to try to show y'all what the brain looks like. I mean, it's really small, but I'm going to show y'all what it looks like before I suck it down. I mean, all of it. The thing, it got teeth. I'm going to show you the teeth. I'm not going to eat the teeth. I know I eat bones and stuff, but I'm not going to eat the bones on this fish. I stew it with, I got some onions, some mushrooms, some red pepper, some green pepper. I got a piece of fat back in it. I like fat back, guys, so I always try to use it for seasoning. I love fat back. I love salty, oily, greasy, buttery food. If it's messy, it's good. If it's dry, I don't want it. This is the fat back. I'm just going to take a... See that fat back? I don't know if y'all know... What is it? Salt pork? It's a piece right there. It did not move. It's definitely cooked. It's definitely cooked. I guarantee you that one. So, let's start breaking some of it off. All right. So again, this is a whole fish head. It's cut in half. I'm going to eat the eyeballs, the tongue, everything. Hey, Giovanna. What's up? What's up? What's up? Giovanna been helping me out through this right here, guys. I appreciate you, girlfriend. I appreciate you. I love you, girl. Now, see, this... It's no meat. It's just, like a piece of the fin. It's not the fin, but it's a piece of the face. And I'm just going to suck it because I like that gooey stuff. That tastes good. I love... So good. Where was I at? I'm over here picking off of both of them. When I tell you, just all of the head, I sucked all of it. Every piece of this head, I'm just going to suck it. And then I'm going to show y'all the bones when I'm done. There is meat in here. I'm going to get to it. It's in the cheek. It's actually pretty good meat. I don't know what I got the rice for. I probably won't even eat it. I just did it because y'all probably think I'm boring. I never have like no sides or nothing with this stuff. But, I mean, the focus is the fish head, right? All right, so this is part of the cheek. Now that's meat right there. This is meat right here. Can y'all see that? And again, this is a salmon fish head. Right? I don't need no size. That's what I'm talking about. This is a lot of meat right here. What are you guys eating tonight? Y'all know what I'm eating. Still part of the cheek. That's all meat right there. Guys, this is so good. That's how you know I'm greedy, because everything is good. As long as it's cooked right, I will eat it. I think it's good. I don't think any food's nasty. My friend Giovanna, she got some scorpions. I told her, let me get one. I told her, if she give me one of her scorpions, I'll eat it live. Y'all need to tell Giovanna to give up that scorpion. I will eat a live scorpion for you guys. I'm gonna tell you, it's bomb. You know how you save the best for last? That's what I do. What up, boo? I save the best for last, and that's going to be the eyeball and the brain. No, I can't stop with the eyeball. Okay, you know what I'll do? Because I do have 2 eyeballs. And so I will eat one of the eyeballs right now. But I have to save one of the eyeballs for last. I have to save it for last. Right? D, tell her to give me that scorpion. All right, give me that scorpion. I'll eat that scorpion live for you. All right, let me dig into the eyeball. Ooh, look at that gooiness. All right, guys, look. That's the eyeball right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see that. I am still eating. I'm never going to stop eating. Did y'all see the eyeball? Look at that. Y'all ready for me to eat it? Look at the eyeball. I'm going to sing the song again. Look at me now. Hey, look at me now. Ew. That's that little ball or whatever the people think. I don't know. I'm not eating that because it's hard. That right there, I swear to God, that's the best part of a fish head. The best part of a fish head. Now, I'm going to eat the bottom jaw. I'm going to eat the jaw. Look, can y'all see the teeth? This is part of the mouth. Y'all see that? This part right here is good. I'm sorry. All of it's good, but the eyeball is my favorite. Mmm. And no, I never cut myself sucking on a teeth. I'm a professional, okay? I'm a professional fish head eater. Donkey's butt. If you can eat it, I'll try it. I'll eat a donkey's butt if you can eat it. I think you can eat donkey meat. Guys, y'all think I'm playing? I'm going to go to this market. It was closed today. I tried to get Giovanna to come with me today to go look at the kangaroo meat. But the place was closed. So I'm going to get there, guys. And I'm going to get this donkey meat. I mean, if you put me in the woods, I hope I can survive. The problem is, can I catch this stuff? That's the question. Can I catch the stuff? It's a mushroom. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Guys, I'm about to forget y'all are up here and just start eating. Mm-mm-mm. I can get it with the kangaroo meat or the donkey meat. What's up? I'm always wilding. Crazy, sexy, cool. Kangaroo meat's good for muscles. I need some. I ain't got no muscles. I don't be working out. I'm so lazy. I am so lazy. Now I'm probably gonna get fat. A couple more months. Probably gonna be fat from doing all this eating now. Y'all see how much of that head I got on this one? Those that just tuning in, I am eating a fish head. It's a cooked fish head. I stewed it. I just ate an eyeball. And it was good. It was real good. I'm gonna eat a beating heart. So I want to go fishing, but if I go fishing, I don't know if we go fishing now. I don't know where to go or whatever. So if I go to the market, they got live fish there at the market. I'm sure y'all seen them floating around at the bottom of them, the tanks and stuff. If I go get one from there, I don't know if if the fish will be like still alive by the time I get home. Even though it's like a couple minutes from my house. But you know, because it's in the plastic, so it can't breathe. And I want y'all to see the heart. Boom, 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 boom. Beating. So I want to eat fish heart straight out of the live fish, still beating. That's what I want to do. I've been wanting to do that for a long time. Since I seen the dude on Bazaar Foods do it. You gonna give me some what? Philip, make a tank to bring it home. That's a good idea. That is a real good idea. Bring a tank. Tell them I want some of that water they got there so the fish don't have like a change of water. That is a... Yo, Giovanna, you the shit. Ooh, I mean, you the ish. Mm-hmm. I eat everything. Everything, guys. This fish head is bomb. Now, wait. Saturday, my friend Ulysses is coming to cut up that fish head. For those that was watching yesterday, I have like a 60-pound fish head that's in my deep freezer. So everybody's like, pull it out, I pulled it out for everybody. And I needed somebody to cut it for me. And I got it from my friend Ulysses because he works with the fishing people or whatever you call it. That would be bad. I ain't eating you. So he's coming Saturday to cut up the fish head because it's very big and very hard. And I'm going to go live so y'all can see him do it. And I want y'all to see the eyeball is like this big. No lie, the eyeball is like this big. I never in my life had an eyeball that big. Never. Never had an eyeball that big. I mean big. Yeah, I eat everything but food. Stuff you can eat. Guys, this ain't even all that crazy. Look at this meat. There's a big chunk of meat here. This what I'm eating. This isn't even all that crazy. It's normal food. And if y'all didn't see, I got a YouTube channel. And my YouTube is Carmen Eats. CarmenEats. He's over his grandmother's house. Yep, he went to his grandmother's house Saturday. They got their little school vacation, so I was like, boy, you don't want to stay home? He's like, no. He's like, I'm going to Nana's house. So this is my first live that he's not here. I mean, a couple times he was sleeping because it was late, but yeah, he's 220. He's taller than me. He's 15. I know. I don't be putting them on Facebook as much. Guys, he's talking about my son LeBron. Yes, I named him after LeBron James. And what? He's the GOAT. I don't care what y'all say about LeBron James. That's my baby daddy. Okay? Wait a minute. Where's my brain at? Yo, these people just ripped me off. Because my brain is not even in here. And I know I didn't eat it this time, like the turtle. Remember when I had the turtle? But you know, they probably took the heart out of... They probably took the heart out of that one. Remember I just had the liver and I was looking for the heart? Now this one I know for a fact that I did not eat the brain. Because it's like in a skull and I got to crack it. That is messed up. Mm-mm. This ain't nasty, cuz. Yeah. The brain's not in here. Like, they just really ripped me off. Next time I go there, you know, I'm not going to be like, oh, y'all didn't give me my brain, da, da, da. But I'm going to really watch them. And I'm going to be like, but actually, you know what? This bag right here, if y'all seen when I went to the market, it was already bagged up. So when they have those things to the side like that, that means somebody asked them to cut it up for them and clean it, that they wanted it. And they didn't, you know, they walked off and they didn't come back for it. So, you know, I can't be mad. They didn't cut it up in front of me. But the brain's not in here. The brain's not in here, y'all. Now I have the other part of the mouth. This is the top part that's left. I don't know if y'all can see that. That half that was just there, it's here now. Can y'all see that? How I just, all bones. So this is the other part of the jaw with the teeth. Can y'all see the teeth? These are good. Guys, this is good. I wish y'all could try this with me. Guys, so that was half of a fish head. And it was really good. And I'm over here breaking off pieces of my fat back. For those that's just tuning in, I don't know what's going on right here. Because I love fat back. Fix you a plate. You don't eat no mess like this. Well, you might. I know your mama do. I know she do. Guys, that's tuning in. All right, I'm about to show y'all this fish head again. The other half of it again before I break it down. Before I break it down. Okay, the eyeball is right there. For those that's just tuning in, the eyeball is right there. His jaw and stuff's right there. I ate half of it already. I ate the eyeball. The brain is missing. Oh, wait. It's not missing. Let me see. See, usually what I do is I'll suck it right. See, y'all can't see that. That's what I'm saying. The brain is really, really small. Usually what I do, I just suck it right out of here. So it's like a skull too. I mean, it's not that hard, but That brain was good. That was good, guys. I'm dying to see what that brain is like in that big salmon head that I got. Yep, gotta be good. This is the bottom part of the mouth again from the other half. And yeah, I eat brain all the time. Pig brain, lamb, cow, and fish brains. I've never had no chicken brain. I don't think I could do that. I like chicken feet. Y'all like chicken feet? I love chicken feet. No, I'm not famous on YouTube, but I did make a YouTube account today. Carmen Eats. I did make one today. I'm hoping to be YouTube famous. This is good. Thank you. I put it up today. I just put it up today, maybe like 7 hours ago. Thank you. Guys, I'm eating a fish head. The other half of it. I already ate half of it. Ate the brain, one eyeball. It's good. Okay. Some more. This the other half of the cheek. This is where the most meat of the head is. Goat. I grew up on goat. I love goat. That's nothing. A lot of people go, all the Jamaican and Haitian restaurants. I make goat too. Curry goat. I make that. Curry goat. I make oxtails. I make all that stuff. I don't just like food. I know how to cook too. And I like to cook. So I'm greedy. You can't be greedy and not know how to cook. But I am going to go. I'm going to start doing some lives. Going out to restaurants. Eating there. You know, trying to find the most exotic, wild thing that the restaurants got. So I already know where my spot's going to be. It's Chinatown. So probably the first one that I do going out to eat is most likely going to be like in Chinatown. I love how the Asians cook. I love their food. I know if I go to Chinatown, I'm going to find some far out stuff. Some crazy stuff. But honestly, I can't even think of anything crazy because this stuff's not crazy to me. And I done had basic like all of it. So it's like, it's not weird. It's not funny. It's not crazy. It's not ooh to me. I'm not like scared to try this stuff because I done tried just about everything. I don't know what I'm going to eat tomorrow. Somebody gave me a suggestion. They want me to eat some chicken hearts. So if I do the chicken hearts, I'm going to fry them. Because I do like, but see, that's what I'm saying. Like, they want me to do the chicken hearts, but I eat that all the time, too. So if I eat the chicken hearts, I'm going to be popping them like popcorns, you know? Like, just sitting there like, boop, boop, boop. You know what? And that's cool, you know? Because then I can do like a story time or whatever and eat my popcorn chicken hearts. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I wasn't planning on going live eating every day. But, you know, I eat every day. And I might as well go live. Because I like it. I'm having fun, guys. I am. I'm having fun doing this. So, who knows? Raw snails. Well, I like snails. I never did it, but you know what? I'm going to look up. I'm sure you can eat raw snails. I'm going to look it up. If I can eat raw snails, I'll eat some raw snails. And I love snails, so I probably won't have a problem with that neither. I probably just keep popping them things in my mouth. Some mushrooms. Because I stewed this fish head with some green peppers, red peppers, onions, and mushroom, and fatback. Can't forget the fatback, guys. Crawfish. Man, listen. I eat crawfish all the time, too. I don't just eat the tail. I suck the inside part. All that, I don't know, whatever, mustard, whatever they call that inside stuff, I suck that. Like, that's nothing. Escargot, yes, I eat that all the time. We just talking about it. You just hear it? The girl said the raw snails. I'll eat raw snails. I'm gonna look it up, see if I can eat it. If you can eat raw snails, if you can, then I'll be eating some raw snails. How about that? How about that one, guys? This fish is good. No, I've never had a fried fish head. And I was going to fry half of it because it was already cut in half. I don't think you can eat raw frog. I don't think you can. I mean, I'll look it up. I'll look it up. If you can eat raw frog, I'm going to look up the frog and snails. If you can eat those raw, I'll do it. So, y'all, this fish head is good. Oh, so what I was saying was, so since they cut the fish head in half, when I was making it, I was gonna do one piece fry and then stew the other piece, because I never had fried fish head before. Not a big one like this. I mean, obviously I had a fried fish head if I had a fried fish, like a snapper. I like white perch, pogie, croakers. So if I get like a fish like that and I fry it, I want my head on. A lot of people are like, oh no, take the head off. I can't. How could you eat when it's looking at me? I don't know. I'm going to eat it. We got another mushroom. Guys, I'm almost done. I'm getting there. Y'all, I'm about to eat the other eyeball, okay? Oh, shit. For those that missed it, No, you can't eat anything raw. You can't eat no chicken or no pork raw. Look at, that's the other eyeball. For those that missed it. That's the pupil. I'm not gonna eat it because it's hard. I'm not gonna eat it because it's hard. Another piece of fat back. No more mushrooms. No more mushrooms. Can y'all see how much is left? I think I'm done now. Y'all see that? Y'all think I did good? Did I eat enough for you guys? You're so stupid. No, they don't. No, they don't. So this right here is from the head. From what I ate from the head. Guys, this is what I got left. I ate the brain. I ate the 2 eyeballs. And I got my little white rice that I, touched just a little bit. So, guys, I hope y'all enjoy. Again, if you can, go to YouTube, subscribe, like, share. My YouTube channel is Carmen Eats, CarmenEats. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys.